Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be working with a tinted base coat for my background. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So I'm using this product for the first time. This is What's Up Nails Hideaway. This is a base coat that has a little bit of tint to it. If you use base coats regularly, you will see that most of them are translucent. This one has a little bit of a pink whitey tone to it. It will fill your ridges, so that will help to have a smoother surface to paint your nails after. It will hide imperfections. It will help with staining if you use very pigmented colors, and it can also be used as a base color. So for two of my nails, I'm gonna be using Essie Not Ready for Bed. It will be the pinky and the index. This is a very bright red and it has full coverage in only one coat. I will still recommend you do two coats just because if you have any imperfections or the application wasn't smooth enough in the first one, you can always cover up with the second coat. I just try to be very careful when I use this pigmented color so I don't stain my skin. Now I'm gonna be applying a second coat of this base coat and I'm gonna be using it as my background for the stamping. As you apply the second coat, you will see that the color started to build up a little bit, so it's not that translucent anymore. I'm gonna be using this new brush that I got on KB Shimmer. It's very thin, so I will link it on the description below. And here's the base coat with 3 coats, so that's the look that I really like. With 3 coats, you can see that the color changed completely, and that looks perfect for me to have a background with a natural look, and my smile line is not even that visible at this point, so it's a great product to use as a background. Now I'm gonna apply a topper. This is Scatter Holo Taco, just to give it a little bit of sparkly background to my natural look. Now for the stamping plate, I'm using Uber Chic Whimsical by Nature. This is a great plate. It has a lot of outline of flowers, like designs for spring and summer. And I'm gonna be using the same red that I used to paint my nails. So this is a very pigmented color. So even though it's not a stamping polish, it will work perfectly, as you can see here. So I'm just gonna stamp my first nail and then the second one with the same pattern. Try to put it in the same order, and just try to clean up with the Scotch tape after, so you don't stain your skin with this highly pigmented red. So I highly recommend this product as a base coat and also as a back color for your stamping. I think it looks great, and the smile line is not even visible anymore, so I think it worked perfectly and it's super smooth to use. And just a note, I wore this manicure for almost 2 weeks and I didn't have any issues with the base coat. It didn't lift, it didn't peel, it held up beautifully, same as any color will do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.